The primary purpose of the tripod is to hold a camera completely steady, with zero movements and vibration. However, the tripod is very far from a one-size-fits-all photography and videography accessory. Although they all look about the same, with 3 legs, a part where the camera attaches, etc., there are many brands, styles, and variations. Some differences are centered on personal preferences such as color, others are more purpose-driven. In this video, we will be exploring the different types of tripods. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Standard tripods. These are the cheapest and most portable tripods, are all-in-one models with permanently attached legs and heads. The majority of people should pick these tripods as their first tripod. After using your all-in-one tripod for a while, you might realize that it is lacking a feature you were hoping it would have, like a different type of head or more height. But if you purchase a good quality all-in-one tripod, the money you spent on your first tripod won't be a waste. Number 2. Monopods. Tripods with only one leg are called monopods. You cannot walk away from your camera while using them, but they support the weight of your camera and essentially eliminate any camera shake. As seen in the following image, they are much lighter and easier to transport than a tripod, making them perfect for wildlife photographers who get tired of holding a heavy telephoto lens. Number 3. Tripod Dolly. Every camera or video project can benefit from the smooth roll movement provided by the tripod dolly. They would be a wonderful addition to your studio because they are lightweight and portable. These facilitate fluid camera movement, eliminating crooked and supple dolly shots. Number 4. Stabilizer tripod. A great accessory that stabilizes your camera is a camera stabilizer. By balancing that movement, these rigs remove any unwanted camera movement from the shot. One of the top tripod stabilizers is the gimbal. When compared to more sophisticated stabilization equipment, they are easy to set up. They are portable and lightweight, which is useful if your photo shoots frequently take you on adventures. Number 5. Studio tripods. Studio tripods are robust, heavy, and well-built. They are unquestionably the best kind of tripod to use, but they are typically too heavy to carry around. Everyone requires at least one travel tripod, and yours will likely be adequate for the majority of uses in the studio and around the house. Number 6. Pocket tripods. All that pocket tripods are designed for is portability. They are typically used for quick self-portraits and are only 4 to 8 inches tall. Since they don't extend vertically, where you rest the tripod will be the sole determinant of how high or low your camera is held. They work best with point-and-shoot, camera phones, or small mirrorless cameras. Number 7. Compact travel tripods. Travel tripods give up functionality to be more portable. They are typically quite small, which makes them simple to pack in a bag. The more expensive travel tripods are made of carbon fiber, while the more affordable ones are made of plastic. Number 8. Jibs. Jibs are more like an addition to a tripod than a tripod in and of themselves. A jib is a boom device that has a counterweight with camera controls on one end and a camera mount on the other. The end of the arm holding the camera can move through an extended arc because, in theory, it works like a seesaw with the balance point closer to the counterweight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.